In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an EBT card to Apple Pay. We'll walk through the process on an iPhone, go over what to expect during verification, and cover a few important notes so you know exactly what's supported and what isn't. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your payment cards live, and it's the hub for adding new ones. Once you're in Wallet, look to the top right corner and tap the plus icon. That opens the Add Card flow. When you're asked to choose a card type, select debit or credit card. Even though you're adding an EBT card, this is the correct path to continue. Apple Pay groups card setup here so you can enter the details in a familiar way. Next, enter your EBT card details. You can type the information in manually or use your iPhone's camera to scan the card. If you scan, make sure you're in good lighting and hold the card steady so the numbers are captured accurately. If you prefer to type, double check every digit and any dates or identifiers shown on the card. Accuracy matters here because even a small typo can cause verification to fail. After your details are in, follow the on-screen instructions to complete verification. The steps may vary based on your card program and region, so keep an eye on the prompts and complete each task exactly as shown. If the app asks for additional confirmation, simply proceed through those screens until you see that verification is finished. Now check if the card was added. If your EBT card is supported, you'll see it appear in Apple Wallet alongside your other cards. If you don't see it, that usually means the program or region isn't supported yet, or additional verification is required. You can always revisit the add card flow later to try again. A few important notes before you start using it. Apple does not fully support EBT cards in all states, and availability can change over time. Even if your card is added successfully, some stores or apps may not accept EBT payments through Apple Pay. Because of that, it's smart to keep a backup payment method available so you're never stuck at checkout. Quick recap. Wallet, then the plus button, choose debit or credit card, enter your EBT details, verify, and then check whether it's supported in your area. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.